that birds and pigs are meant to be friends. But if we cross boundaries that were not meant to be crossed.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tanzina. Today I'm going to show you why I had a haircut. I'm requesting everybody to watch this video till the end to find out actually why my husband cut my hair. So this was my hair lately. Even this video clip is just 2 to 3 months back. It was really healthy, full volume, really moisturized. I was so happy with it. There was no complaint. I was even straightening my hair if there was any program or function I'm attending only that time. Apart from that, I wasn't doing nothing with my hair, so no chemical, nothing. So let's start the story of cutting my hair.
Guys, it's the same fruit sitting on the plate in front of you.
It wasn't funny at all, but I was so upset. He actually told me he's gonna put some oil on my hair because it was looking really rough. And when he sat down to put some oil and after that he tried to unknot my hair, what happened is he couldn't even do it, which he used to do it before very easily. So once in a month he used to do it for me, but this time when he saw it, he was even shocked by seeing and then just touching my hair. Even he said it's smelling bad. And this is the video actually sharing with you all as well. This is 2 weeks back. Basically it started 3 to 4 weeks before I cut my hair. I was losing my hair like anything. I have used all the good shampoos you can call, and I have done even banana mask, naturally home remedies at home. I have seen doctor gave me a shampoo which is just hair. I've used everything. I've done everything. One more thing, I was even having multivitamin for last 1.5 years. I was even taking extra hair, skin and nail vitamin too. But this is the scenario of my hair. I was losing. There was hair everywhere in my house, kitchen, bedroom, my bed sheets, my duvet, my sofa. Even when I was making roti, you will find hair in there. So when I saw a GP, what doctor said, due to breastfeeding I'm losing my hair, and even I'm having multivitamin, even if I'm having extra vitamin, even I'm eating healthy greens, fruits, vegetables, everything, still I will lose them. Hair thinning is very common during breastfeeding. Well, definitely I'm not going to stop breastfeeding, but I can just cut my hair. So I was telling Hover that shall I just cut my hair. He was like, okay, you just grown your hair, you wanted to grow it every year, summer you just cut it. This summer I didn't cut my hair short, but when he saw it he couldn't help it.
Well, everyday struggle with the easy for it.
You gotta be kidding me. Ready! Who, me? Yeah, Dawn, ready. Hey! Aim at one. Everybody on this one. Fire! Who says birds
It's dead,
don't fly?
you know?
So far, I'm done.
I hope he's okay.
बिकॉज मैंने सब कुछ किया खबर, सब कुछ मतलब सब कुछ, बनाना शनाना लगा के वो वाला शैम्पू, डॉक्टर ने जो शैम्पू दी वो यूज़ किया, बट नथिंग इज वर्किंग.
Done that 10 minutes ago.
नो खबर. How satisfying is that?
First time, yeah. I don't know, like him.
That's fine.
Barabar balance.
He was sick, but then he got cured.
No eggs in. Oh, these are clever pigs. Okay, look, I'm gonna run up and
Cover. You sure you're doing it in the right way?
I don't know if you can help.
Hope
We
so.
gotta figure out a way.
Hope so. Oh my god. Hope so. It's something, I mean, the haircut, which I've never done before.
Done.
It's done. অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি বসছিলাম মাথায় তেল লাগানোর জন্য। সে তেল লাগানোর পর যখন দেখলো যে আমার চুলে আসলে এই 12টা অবস্থা, সে তখন নিজেই ডিসিশন নিল সে এখনই কেটে দিবে।
I'm happy with it.
You happy with it?
Yeah.
He's happy with it. So আমার তেল আমি ওভারনাইট রাখবো, কালকে আমি চুল ওয়াশ করে অ্যান্ড দেন আমি দেখি কি হয়।
अच्छा तजुर्बा।
ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা আমার উপর নাকি তজুরবা করছে, ট্রাই করছে আমার উপর। কার একটা সেলুন খুলে বসো। He is happy. अब तो और भी काटने का दिल कर रहा है।
काटने का नहीं, हम just
Checking?
okay, दोनों साइड से।
हाँ?
जब कर ली बाहर सीधा। Each time जब तू इसको काउंट करेगी,
Yeah.
डिफरेंट चीज आएगी।
Yeah, I know.
You don't have to. क्योंकि ये लेंथ ये देख बराबर, ठीक है? ये जगह ये बराबर और मिडिल बराबर।
Thank you. My new
पैसे
hair.
पैसे पैसे।
পয়সা আই খাও, আমাকে পয়সা দাও না প্লিজ, আমার নিউ হেয়ার স্টাইলিস্টকে দিতে হবে। এই
ये देख कैंची भी किधर से आएगी?
পাকিস্তান, আচ্ছা পাকিস্তান থেকে কেচি আসছে, এটা হচ্ছে খুশি। So this was my final look after washing, and obviously I did straighten it, but even if I use the mousse it's still beautiful, and I was happy actually. The result was really nice. At least I don't need to fight with my hair every day after washing my hair. There's no knot, nothing, short hair, and it will grow again anyway. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I will come with more videos. For that, don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and comment below. I love you all. Mwah.